Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a quick little clean with me. I'm just gonna clean up my bedroom. We have been like iced in, so we have not had school all week because of this. And so I've just been like just laying around, not doing a whole lot. And I just need to get some things kind of cleaned up a little bit. I've been keeping the living room and dining room somewhat cleaned up just in case like people come over or whatever, but like no one can go anywhere, so I don't know why I even thought people would come over. But I just want to get my bedroom cleaned up. Like you can kind of see behind me here, my bed is just, you know, I've just been laying around, and I do have like that catch-all area. It always fills up like that, so I just need to put that stuff away. And then I have over here on my dresser, just need to straighten that up a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start off by just making my bed, and yes, I do have a pregnancy pillow, but I am not pregnant. It's just very comfortable to sleep with, so I have that. I have a weighted blanket. I sleep with a lot of things on my bed, so I just wanted to go ahead and get that straightened up, because for some reason I'm the type that likes to put everything on my bed so I can clean off the area that I'm trying to clean.
You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food.
So I went ahead and just changed out my sheets because I had a clean pair already ready. And thankfully that happened because our water pipe busted. And so we were out of water for like 2 days, and thankfully we got that fixed. But I mean, it was so cold here. We pretty much had to miss a whole week of school because of it, because the ice was so bad on the roads.
How much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet.
So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself to anybody who may be new to my channel. My name is Courtney, and I do all types of cleaning videos in the house and in my classroom. I am a full-time teacher, and I do like to record after hours of like cleaning and just, you know, reset videos. And so if that interests you, please make sure you push the subscribe button.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order.
So I wanted to show what's on my bed, because I don't know why I clean like this, but I like take everything off and like put it on my bed. I like to make up my bed first, then take everything that I'm cleaning. So for instance, the dresser, I like to take everything off, clean it off, and then put it back on. And then like I have all this stuff that I have to sort through right here from the dresser. But like these right here are headband stands, and I don't need them anymore because I got something else to put my headbands on, and I'll show you right quick what I put my headbands on. So I got this off of Amazon, and this is what I have all my headbands on now. So I don't need those anymore, so I'm gonna give those to some of my friends who have like 4 or 5 of them. As you can tell, I'm a headband teacher now. I just took on this new hobby. I don't know why, but it started off with like a few headbands, and now I have this. And so every day I wear a headband, I wear a different one. And so anyways, so that's what I'm gonna do with my headband stands, because I had so many of them and it just covered my dresser, so I needed something else, and that's what I came up with.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring us stuck knock it down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium,
So over the Christmas holidays, I got a new puppy. So this is like my puppy station now instead of my computer area. And I just put all her stuff, like her sprays, her treats, her dog food, and just everything on like the desk area, because if I have it on the ground, as you know, puppies love to get into everything. And so she is like, this is her in my room, it's like her like home area. And so I'm just trying to make sure like I don't have a lot of things on the ground, because she loves to get into everything.
listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium, how did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means.
So this right here is like the best thing ever. I found it on TikTok. But it just makes your room or area smell so good. And usually I will I like to mop after I vacuum, but because we were out of water, I wasn't able to do that on this day. So I just went ahead and vacuumed my floors while I waited and let that sit into the rug, and then I'll vacuum that out, and then I will be done for today.
Get me out of here. Just get me out of here.
So this brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the cleaning motivation. And also, if you haven't already, push that subscribe button. I have more videos that I'm trying to get out to you guys, and I just would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you can, leave me a comment down below. Just say hello or leave me a puppy dog emoji. Either is fine. It's just whatever you leave, it does help my channel so much. So I would really appreciate that, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.